You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. You can start with just $100, and that small step could completely change your financial future. Most people wait years thinking they need more money before they begin. But the truth is, waiting is exactly what's keeping them broke. Here's the problem. Most beginners believe investing is only for rich people. So they delay it. They focus only on saving, or worse. They spend everything and promise themselves they'll start later. But later turns into years. And while they're waiting, inflation is quietly eating their money, and they're missing out on the most powerful tool in finance, time. Think about it. If you save $100, it stays $100. But if you invest it, it has the potential to grow. And more importantly, it starts building a habit. Because investing isn't about how much you start with. It's about starting early and staying consistent. Let's break this down into simple, practical steps you can actually follow. First, stop trying to be perfect. Many beginners get stuck researching too much. They watch videos, read articles, compare apps, and never actually invest. The truth is, your first $100 is not about making huge profits. It's about learning. Even if you make mistakes, that experience is worth more than the money itself. Imagine someone who starts today versus someone who waits 1 year. The person who starts today already understands the system while the other is still planning. Second, choose a simple investment platform. Don't overcomplicate this. You don't need 10 apps. Just one reliable platform is enough to begin. For beginners, apps like Stash or Robinhood are popular because they make investing easy and beginner-friendly. The goal here is simplicity. Open the app, deposit your $100, and take action. Third, start with what you understand. Don't jump into complex stocks or risky trends just because someone on the internet said it's hot. Instead, invest in companies or funds you recognize. For example, if you use products from big companies every day, you already understand their value. Even better, consider index funds or ETFs, which spread your money across many companies. This reduces risk and makes it safer for beginners. Fourth, use the power of consistency. One of the biggest secrets in investing is not how much you invest once, but how often you invest. Let's say you invest $100 today. Great. But what if you add just $20 every week? Over time, that builds momentum. It becomes a habit, not a one-time action. This is how ordinary people slowly build wealth without feeling overwhelmed. Fifth, ignore the noise. Social media is full of people showing quick profits and overnight success. This can be dangerous, because it makes you feel like you're missing out. But real investing is boring, and that's a good thing. It's slow, steady, and consistent. The people who win are not the ones chasing trends. They're the ones who stay disciplined. Sixth, reinvest your earnings. If your $100 grows to $110, don't withdraw that $10 profit. Keep it invested. This is how compounding works. Your money starts earning money, and then that money earns even more. Over time, this creates exponential growth. It may seem small at first, but give it time, and it becomes powerful. Seventh, focus on the habit, not the amount. Many people feel embarrassed starting with just $100. But every successful investor started somewhere. The difference is, they started. Your goal right now is not to become rich overnight. Your goal is to build a system. Once that system is in place, you can always increase your investment later. Now let's make this real. What should you actually do today? First, decide that you're starting now, not next month, not next year. Today. Second, choose one simple app and create your account. Don't overthink it. Just pick one and move forward. Third, deposit your first $100. Even if it feels small, it's your first step. Fourth, invest in something simple, like an index fund or a well-known company. Fifth, set a small weekly or monthly plan. Even $10 or $20 is enough to build momentum. And that's it. You've officially started your investing journey. If you want to make this even easier, you can use beginner-friendly tools like Acorns, which automatically invests your spare change. It's perfect if you don't want to think too much about it. It runs in the background while you focus on your life, and slowly builds your portfolio over time. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. The hardest part of investing is not understanding charts or numbers. It's taking that first step. Once you start, everything becomes easier. You learn, you improve, and you grow. So don't wait until you have more money. Because when you finally have more money, you'll still hesitate. Start with what you have. Start small. Start now. Because one day, you'll look back and realize that first $100 wasn't small at all. It was the beginning of everything. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple money tips that actually work. And check the link in the description to get started with a beginner-friendly investing app today. Your future self will thank you.